Cooper Marcher here. First of all, big kudos to my mom for finding this incredible tie. Don't you love it? It's amazing. Have you ever seen a peacock? My mom has seen them and even saw a bunch of them in Hawaii. The peacock is the national bird of India and has many cultural values. They are one of the most beautiful creatures on earth. The presence of their huge tail and distinctive patterns on feathers makes them more fascinating. Technically, peacocks refer to the male birds, and peahens refer to the female birds. Collectively, they are called peafowls. Babies are called peachicks. Peachicks! They are kind of strange, and they have all these long feathers that are gorgeous. Only male peafowls have ornamental feathers. Peacock feathers are called trains. The large train is used in mating rituals. Tail feathers have eye-like spots surrounded with green and blue feathers. A peacock can flaunt up to 200 feathers on its tail at a time. Peacocks are not born with fancy tail feathers. The process of growing these feathers only starts after the age of 3. It is harder to distinguish the sex of a bird because they are nearly identical when they're young. Peacocks shed their train every year after the mating season. Peacocks make unpleasant screeching sounds, and it's often regarded as the loudest creature around. They are generally ground-dwelling birds and commonly found in farmlands and forests. It is native to Asia. There are 3 species of peacocks, namely blue peacock, green peacock, and African Congo peacock. 2 of these originate in Asia, and the other is of African descent. The population of peacocks is declining due to the habitat loss and hunting. While peacocks are not considered endangered species at the moment, the Congo peafowl, in particular, has been listed as vulnerable. For more than 2,000 years, peacocks have been kept in captivity around the world. Peacock is an essential part of a zoo, as it attracts many people through its beauty. The most common type of peafowl found in zoos and parks is the Indian peafowl, or peacock. They have an average lifespan of 15 to 20 years in the wild. Peacocks can live up to 40 to 50 years when they are under captivity. Wow. One of the major reasons behind shorter lifespan is in the wild is the presence of predators like tigers, raccoons, wolves, dogs, etc. Peacocks are social animals and like interacting with humans. The domesticated ones interact with humans pretty well. Peacocks also indulge in various games with each other, like chasing each other around. They do not like being alone, and they always are in groups, which usually have 8 to 10 birds. However, they form a group of their kind and do not approve of the entry of outsiders into the group. They feed on fruits, seeds, flowers, leaves, insects, ants, butterflies, etc. Grains are the most common food of the peacock, as they are ground-dwelling birds. Have you ever seen a peacock, and don't you love my tie? Cooper Marcher here. Ciao.